hindi ko may pagka-hip hop talaga. Ilang taon ka? Ay talaga. Bakit sir? Sige nga, bigyan mo kami ng sample.
Dati nga eh.
Eh, ang yapang mo kasi. Bakit ikaw magaling ka ba sumayaw? Eh, yun nga lang. Hindi. Ready ka na.
Sige po.
Are you ready? Are you ready? I think you are ready na talaga.
Ready na siya, Negra.
Okay guys, are you ready na po?
Yes.
Ready na po ang audience natin? Ready na?
Ready.
Yes.
Okay, ready ka na?
Ready na siya.
Okay, go. Go, ready na. Oh, ready ka na. Ready na po kayo. Palakpakan na.
Ready na siya.
Oh, ready na. Okay, are you ready? Opo. Okay, go. Are you ready? Ano ba ulit-ulit lang? Hindi, I'm asking you.
Ready na.
Okay, ako din. Ready? Ready. Okay, are you ready guys? Naman palakpakan ko. Okay, go. Ready?
Hindi naman natapos na, hindi na makakanta.
Hindi, dito ka. Ready ka na. Okay, everybody, ready na po siya. Ready. Go. Ready.
Ay, ano na, diretso na to. Palakpakan. Play mo na yan. Here's Milo.
Ready.
Ano ba yung kakantay na?
Wow. Palevel na teach me how to love me.
You woke up in the road. I'm sorry that you come home. That's the feeling of the sword. These are my Saturdays. We'll be in love. Just another painful day. But I'm proud of you. But I'm proud of you.
Tapos after the request, guest ulit. Yan, i-alternate natin. Meron tayong